going beyond the usual flowers and chocolates to celebrate the women of Malaysia. The very first Bella Awards will return with the highest honor of the night, the Bella Awards. A performance from it. This is the very first Bella Awards, live from the Royal Chulan. And now, for the highest honor of the night, the Bella Award, brought to you by Hi-O. Here to present the award is the honored Dato Ramli Ibrahim.
A choreographer, the concept of the female principle as the universal creative matrix or the sustaining mother has always exercised a fascination and a source of inspiration for me. I feel that this timeless concept as all-embracing she is celebrated and felt in this room by the presence of the women and their contribution with us. I also feel that we are blessed by their love, their generosity, their positive energy, and their incredible capacity for selfless sacrifice. I feel it in my family and the circle of friends. Ladies and gentlemen, this is more felt now as they stand alongside men as equal, as creative and executive partners. Their contribution is all the more felt now as life givers, all the more now, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, girls. Director of an international petroleum company, socialite, a mother of three, and president of Kechara Soup Kitchen, she epitomizes what the Bella Awards is all about. Making sure that those who would have to go without food are provided a hot meal, medical care, and other necessities. Truly making a difference in society with her own two hands. As she builds a better future, we hope her work will inspire the women of Malaysia to greater heights.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the winner of the Bella Awards, Dr. Ruby Khong.
So shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I too high, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
Wow, what else can I say? Except a very, very big thank you to everyone for believing in me. And I hope that with this award, I can inspire even more of you to step forward, to serve others for the love of humankind in whichever capacity you're comfortable with, and championing an essential and necessary cause. So thank you all once again.
So shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I too high, so high.